Kubota LB552 loader, cylinder repair. This was a repair of a leaky cylinder. Did not have the power to lift up the tractor. As you can see, and you won't be able to see, but I'm going to try to put a full video on here. That is very loose. Everything was very tight. The piston itself was very well worn. It was leaking, I went ahead and chose to leave the cylinder on as a way to be able to disassemble the cylinder. Some of these were a little hard to replace, like that kind of the plasticky, resiny seal. And this was really hard to get in right here, the seal. I didn't want to bend it. Okay, now I'm trying to get out that little plasticky, resiny seal. And I'm working on getting it back on, and just make sure that you take your time person that was helping me, I was calling them from time to time, was telling me to coat it with some grease. And I'm carefully using the screwdriver not to damage the surface of this, but it was pretty hard to get it in there. And just as a reminder, go ahead and use Loctite on all your blue Loctite on all your threads as you're putting it back together again. And get it as tight as you can get it. This seal kit came from Kubota. I got the part number from Messick's, and then actually got the part from the local dealer. There's the Loctite. By the way, I did clean out the cylinder, the old, there was stuff in it. Get all the dirt out of there, clean it real good. I'm coating it with hydraulic oil as I'm putting it together. I had to use that cheater pipe. So I used the cheater pipe to get it off, I used the cheater pipe to put it back on. I think I did something wrong, so I had to take it off again. I missed something or put something on wrong. Putting on the hoses. Trying it out. Getting the air out.